Hey there, welcome back. So today we're diving into the world of landing pages with InstaPage, a powerful tool for creating high converting landing pages. You know, landing pages aren't just your website's front page, they're standalone pages designed to drive action, whether it's signing up for a trial, making a purchase, or just downloading an ebook. I used to think my website was pretty slick until I realized the impact landing pages can have on conversions. And so that's when InstaPage came in, and it blew my mind how I could tailor landing pages to match different ad campaigns, making each one super targeted and effective. Seriously, it's been a game changer for my online business. So let's talk about what I've learned from using InstaPage, the ins, the outs, the costs, and everything in between. And if you're gearing up for a new ad campaign and want your landing pages to pack a punch, then stick around. This review might just help you decide if InstaPage is the missing piece in your marketing puzzle. And before we dive in, I just want to let you know that I am an affiliate with all the tools and products I use on this channel, including InstaPage, but rest assured, I'm always going to give you my honest take. And if you decide to give InstaPage a shot, use the link in the description for a sweet discount. Consider it our little secret. Right, so InstaPage is a cloud-based subscription service that's all about creating cool landing pages to engage customers, generate leads, and boost the sales. And what's awesome about it, especially for someone like me who isn't necessarily a design or coding whiz, it's that you don't need any special skills to dive in and start creating. And let me tell you, it's loaded with features to help you craft landing pages that actually converts. What really grabbed my attention are the advanced features like ad mapping, AI-generated content, heat maps, and split testing tools. These babies let you leverage user data to build landing pages that not only load quickly, but also drive real results. You can tailor your landing pages to different ads, market segments, or target audience, delivering personalized content that drives sales and provides valuable insights for future campaigns. When I first started using InstaPage, I was actually blown away by the level of support they offer. Their customer service is top of the line, providing detailed guidance on everything landing page related. They've got tutorials, step-by-step guides, you name it. And getting started with InstaPage is super simple thanks to their drag and drop page builder. But let me tell you a little secret. Their library of more than 100 templates is where the real magic happens. All of them are fully responsive, so you can rest assured your pages will look great on any device. If you're collaborating with a team or client, InstaPage has you covered on that as well. Their collaboration tools make it a breeze to work together in real time, ensuring everyone's on the same page. And once your landing pages are up and running, you can dive into InstaPage's suite of analysis and testing tools to gather valuable insights from your visitors. Now that we've covered all the features that InstaPage offers, let's move on to pricing and plans. So when it comes to their subscription plans, they offer the Build plan for $199 a month if you choose it for an entire year, or $299 if you want to pay monthly, which makes it ideal for people who are just starting out with using landing pages or for small businesses. And to be honest, it has everything you need to create an optimized post-click landing pages if your aim is to boost sales. And another good thing about this plan is that it doesn't have any conversion or domain limits. You get full access to the landing page creator, a pick of useful widgets, and all the optimization tools like the post-click scoring system that lets you know how well individual campaigns are doing. And what really sells this plan to me is that the landing pages are easy to integrate with your existing website because they are independently hosted in the InstaPage cloud, and they are already GDPR compliant and SSL encrypted. So aside from creating and personalizing landing pages, you can also build forms to capture data from visitors by using their AI-driven content generator. Now, you might be concerned when it comes to creating multiple landing pages and the hassle that brings with it, but their InstaBlocks feature cures that headache by allowing you to reuse blocks of content from your personal library whenever you create a new landing page. Another cool feature is AMP, or Accelerated Mobile Pages, for campaigns targeted at phone users. And I gotta hand it to them for including this feature to create these sleek, out-of-the-box mobile landing pages that load so fast that people just genuinely have to stay engaged. And you also benefit from integration with Zapier, HubSpot, Salesforce, and Marketo. However, if you have a bigger business, agency, or team and need more pages than standard use would cover, you can opt for the Convert plan, which can be customized to fit your needs and goals. This is the expanded use package that basically has all the same features as the others, except the amount of use and pages you can create. On the flip side though, you need to get a demo from InstaPage because they don't have a price for this plan on their website. So to sum it up, both plans are fully customizable with lots of advanced features. For instance, you can get a visual ad map of your campaigns or a heat map that shows what action visitors take and how long they spend on your landing pages. This helps you find and fix issues related to user experience, like buttons that aren't being used because they're placed too far down. And speaking of other add-ons, they include audit logs, bulk leads, page migration, custom fonts and integration, conversion, consulting, and design services, or your very own customer success manager. And if InstaPage sounds like the right tool for you, but you want to try it out before you commit, all plans come with a 14-day free trial. But once you subscribe, you only have 24 hours to qualify for a full refund. And if you change your mind for some reason, you have to let them know immediately. Otherwise, your subscription is non-refundable and will carry on to the end. So make sure to use that 2-week free trial if you're not certain. But if at any point you decide to try InstaPage, you can use the link in the description below. It doesn't cost you anything and you get a bit of a discount, which you wouldn't get if you went directly to their website. In terms of my own personal experience with InstaPage, it's been mostly smooth sailing. I was on the hunt for a tool to help me track the performance of my pay-per-click ads and gather intel from my customer via forums. However, what really got me excited was the prospect of playing around with different offers, promos, and calls to action to see what sticks. And boy, did InstaPage deliver with its A/B testing feature. What stood out to me was the plethora of page designs available in their template library. And the cherry on top was the freedom to tweak and tinker with these designs using their drag and drop editor, which saved me a lot of time. Sure, I wish they had a wider selection of widgets, but hey, I made do with what they had. Videos, images, and buttons did the trick for my basic needs. And let's not forget about their landing page tutorial. It was really a guiding light in the murky waters of landing page creation, teaching me not just how to build a landing page, but why certain design choices can lead to more conversions. And you know, that's knowledge you can't put a price on, and I'm always going to carry it with me. Okay, now I'll be real. I do wish InstaPage had a more wallet-friendly plan for us small fries, but hey, the return on investment has been decent so far, and I've even expanded my marketing efforts to target specific neighborhoods with promising results actually. And with their built-in analytics, I can easily spot what's working and what's not, saving me from just, pouring money down the drain on ads that don't pull their weight. Now, I've also dabbled with a few other landing page builders, and each has its own perks. The first one up is Unbounce. It's got a solid set of features, including heat maps and collaboration tools, but in my experience, InstaPage edges it out with better mobile responsiveness, a user-friendly page builder, and smoother processes overall. Next in line is Lead Pages. If your budget is your main concern, then this one might catch your eye with its lower starting price. Plus, it's got a unique feature: pop-ups on landing pages, but trust me, those can get pretty annoying. After getting spoiled by InstaPage's editor, going back to Lead Pages felt kind of like taking a step backwards in terms of customization and ease of use. Last but not least is ClickFunnels. It's a bit pricier than InstaPage, but it offers some nifty features like customer checkouts and lead capture. However, when it comes to sleek templates and advanced features, InstaPage still takes the cake in my book. So there you have it, a quick rundown of some InstaPage alternatives. Each has its strengths, but for me, InstaPage's sophistication and ease of use make it the top contender. So after diving into InstaPage, is it the ultimate landing page builder for hitting your sales and marketing targets? Well, from my experience, I'd say so. It's been a game changer for me, like I've mentioned, opening my eyes to the potential of really well-crafted landing pages. Sure, the price tag gave me pause initially, but the value it's delivered far outweighs the cost. And well, that wraps up this review. If you found this video helpful or interesting, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, if you decide to give InstaPage a shot, you can grab yourself a discount through the link in the description. Of course, it's a win-win. I love hearing your thoughts as well. So drop any questions or comments below and I'll do my best to get back to you pronto. Thanks for tuning in, guys, as always, and until next time, take care.